Hi, after many requests I decided to record this video for you who have questions about the FoliPrime formula. I have a very important alert to make you. Please stay until the end of the video so as not to lose your money. Perhaps you have tried several hair regrowth solutions and have not seen any success, or numerous hair regeneration products have failed to provide satisfactory results. FoliPrime is a product that helps in the growth of beautiful, strong, and shiny hair within a few weeks using natural regrowth techniques. FoliPrime has American technology and promises to block the action of DHT from acute baldness, activate the growth of new strands, eliminate hair loss, restore dead follicles and strengthen existing strands. It has immediate action and it is already possible to notice results in the first weeks of use. Its formula is very complete, consists of incredible oils and plants such as lemon peel, castor oil, niacin, biotin, nettle, hyaluronic acid, cayenne pepper, saffron, zinc oxide, argan oil, tea tree, olive oil, and almond oil. FoliPrime has the FDA seal of approval and is GMP certified. Its components are 100% natural, being completely safe. It has no side effects and no contraindications. I've been using FoliPrime for about 3 months and my experience has been very positive. For some years now I've been trying various treatments to help me with my hair loss. Many of you may know, it's not an easy problem to be solved. I did many aesthetic procedures and visited some doctors, took many medications but nothing gave me an effective result against my problem, spent so much without achieving the desired result that frustrated me. This made my self-esteem very low, but I never gave up looking for something to help me with that question. After seeing a FoliPrime ad on Facebook, I decided to test it and so I came to share my experience with you here in this video. After starting using this powerful oil every day, 3 to 4 drops at night 30 minutes before bed, I began to realize results that really satisfied me. My fall has decreased a lot and I'm already full of new strands that began to appear, leaving my scalp much fuller. Imagine my joy in seeing so much difference in such a short time. I want to reiterate that I am still in treatment. It is a process, but I already feel much more satisfied with my image. On the official website you can purchase a bottle starting at $69, which is equivalent to 30 days of use. And you still get free shipping US. The recommended by the manufacturer are 90 days of use to have satisfactory results. I bought a combo for 3 months of use, as recommended by the manufacturer, and saved $120. What made me really make the decision to test was the warranty that the manufacturer offers, which is 60 days. That is, you can use the product during this period and are not satisfied with the results, they return all your money back. One more security, because we know that each organism is unique and reacts in a different way. But attention to what I will tell you here so you do not lose your money. FoliPrime can only be sold on the official website of the manufacturer. My cousin started to see my results and asked me to indicate the medicine I was using so that my hair would grow back so much in a short time, and I indicated FoliPrime to him, but he did not wait for him to send the link from the official website and bought it on eBay. Unfortunately, he had trouble receiving the order and when he arrived, we saw that it was a counterfeit product. Due to the great success of FoliPrime, some people act in bad faith and counterfeit. Beware, you may lose your money and put your health at risk. I will leave here below the official website of the manufacturer if you also want to try and have incredible results as I had. It was for this reason, in fact, that I decided to make this video, to help people not fall into scams, because the manufacturer himself makes it clear on the site that the marketing of the product can only be done on the official website. If you have any questions, leave here in the comments that I will be very happy to help you. Thank you for watching me.